Welcome back, guys, to the Surgeon Garage. And in this episode, I'll be making a custom handlebar for my BT200x mini bike that I'm working on. And don't forget to subscribe and follow, like, and share this video. Here we go. Now I'm grinding these notches that I make in these pipes so they can fit perfectly before welding. This part can be a little bit tedious because it requires a lot of measurements, a lot of, making sure that everything is aligned properly. I gotta make sure that everything is aligned, with my angle finder before I start tacking everything into place. Now, after I tacked everything in place, I use my digital angle finder to make sure that everything is leveled and at the correct angle that it's supposed to be. You can see me here tapping that section down, making sure that it's aligned with the other side. I'm actually really loving how this handlebar is turning out. As you can see, I'm just testing it out on this frame right here, making sure that everything is all lined up and feels good. So now I'm about to button up everything, do my final weld. Alright guys, so I got this handlebar all finished up, and I must say my daughter, she's loving it. Let me know in the comments guys what you all think about this handlebar and how it turned out. And once again, thank you all for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more.